Thank you. So apparently I got this.
Bruh.
So let's start with 300, I would say. Let's go for long, guys, because the price is above the red line and the green line of the moving averages, and it's apparently above the midline of the Bollinger Bands. And if we take a look at the Vortex, it confirms the upward movement. So why wouldn't I go long? This is what I thought about, and I clicked on buy. Here you go, $276 of the income. Here we go, with a profit. Why would I say income? I don't know. I'm just getting messed up. I'm just going crazy and everything and everything and everything. So yeah. Australian dollars and the Canadian dollars. Right there, right there, right there. So as far as I can see, alright, let's make it 400. As far as I can see, the price just couldn't stay above the moving averages. So I would love to go short. At the same time, if we're taking a look at the midline of the Bollinger, the Bollinger Bands itself, we can see the price is below the midline and it's trying to reaching for the down border. For the lower border of the Bollinger.
Bruh.
I just lost $400. So, oh my god, that was so unexpected, honestly. Let us show that. Oh, what the hell is it? We are having that parallel, and let's double the money. Let's go all in. Right now we must be winning this. Didn't expect that at all. I swear to God. I'm having the same setup as before, but ruined my plans, to be honest. But alright, I'm going for this. I'm going for this. Hopefully we are not having the pullback. Yeah, just go even lower. Low. Yeah, I'm just planning to. Please don't just make me lose the bet just because of the fact that I'm trying to or I'm planning to get a dog. Yeah, but the main problem is that I'm not really being at home, so I don't know. But let me talk to you after this bet. So apparently I got this and I got my funds back, but I don't know, it was kind of shocking. Unexpected things, they are very tough, and they are very difficult to process. Prices, let me get 500, and prices below the moving average, but it's not below. It hasn't crossed the midline of the Bollinger Band yet. So I'm assuming that it's gonna be crossing that line, and after that it's gonna drop even lower. That's why, yeah. Apparently and lately I've just noticed that I'm being annoyed by everyone, all my friends, all the people around me, besides my family members, of course, and my parents. I adore them. They are just very much annoying me with all the jokes and with everything. I don't know, like, I'm just getting annoyed, and I feel like I don't really have the real friend, the true one. Don't tell me that I'm losing this.
Bruh.
You know, I didn't even realize what happened. That's the main problem. Freaking go. Let's go for short again. I mean, look at the latest green candle. It's so like skinny, I would say. No offense, guys, but like, look at it. Yeah. Where was I? I feel like, you know, everyone is very much fake and everything, so I don't have anyone that I mean, besides my parents and my family again, but you know, it's not the same thing. You can't be having the same conversation about the same topic with your parents and with your friends. So I guess the dog that I'm planning to have is gonna be my best friend, and I'm gonna be telling all the things that I'm having on a daily basis, all the things that I'm facing on a daily basis. So thanks God that we got this. Perfect. Now we have $2,000 there. Japanese yen and the francs. I mean, if you're taking a look at the trend line, we can see that it just shows continuation of downtrend. So the price moves down again, and Vortex and the moving average, yes, they are confirming that movement though. Yeah. So going down for $1,000. And yeah, about the dog and the people. Yeah, apparently this is what I think about. So I want to have a real friend. I want to, you know, I need something or someone who is gonna bring a lot of joy and happiness in my life. Because apparently money, it's really good and great. I mean, you're having everything that you wish. You're buying a lot of things. You're just investing in yourself, helping your parents, and everything.
Oh my God.
Thank you. Over $1,000 of profit right here from one bet. Only one bet. Okay, let's make another bet for $500. What I see right now, that everything, I mean, the candle itself is below everything. Moving averages, midline of the Bollinger Bands, some Vortex for Vortex. I mean, is it for short? I very much doubt it, but alright, we'll go with that. But if we lose this bet, just mark my words, it's gonna be because of the Vortex. I don't know. So talking just about Telegram private group. Yeah, not the dog anymore. So guys, the experience that I'm showing you here, the bets that I'm winning, I mean, and having profits while recording the video.
Bruh.
Okay, but yeah, that's alright. It's okay to lose sometimes. Eventually, we got $2,251, which is a profit, because in the beginning of the video I had only 1,000. So apparently this is good. So link for the VIP Telegram group is gonna be below in the description. So do not freaking hesitate to tap on it or click on it and go there. Just learn every freaking detail about trading, about the indicators, about the patterns and the analysis and this. I mean the oh my God.
The subscriber is not available now. Please call back.
Strategics right there, you know, the strategies that you should be using in order to have profit and not get too emotional. So yeah, perfectly useful and important for every trader. Leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Goodbye.